Happy weekend everyone, and we are done with our Sunday Mass, and papunta kami ngayon sa Arayat, Pampanga to check if open pa yung karinderyang pinagkakainan namin na may libreng playground. Yes, libreng playground. Dito sa may Arayat, Pampanga, maraming mga farm, mga cafe, sometimes may mga libreng playground para sa bata. Again, hindi kailangan mahal para makapag-enjoy ang mga kids during weekend. And also, Arayat, Pampanga is one of our favorite destination pag weekends or holiday kasi dito kids can be one with nature, maganda ang klima, malamig kaysa sa kapatagan.
Happy Sunday everyone! Today is my day 26 of my 30 days challenge and we are now here at Ka-Farmers Farm here at Banyo, Arayat, Pampanga. Okay? I will tour you kung anong makikita dito and how you can spend your weekend with your kids and mag-enjoy ang buong pamilya. They have restaurants, good parking, and of course, my favorite, playground. Watch this, guys.
Tara, ililibot ko kayo dito sa Ka-Farmers Farm, dito sa Banyo, Arayat, Pampanga. Meron din silang karinderya where they offer lechon per kilo and different dishes of lechon such as sisig, sinigang, lechon kawale, and paksiw. Ayan, fresh na fresh daily ang kanilang lechon. And don't you worry, kahit ilang sasakyan pa ang meron kayo, they have a spacious parking area. And of course, our favorite, especially ng mga kids, they have a clean, new, and spacious playground. Ayan, ang mga bunakis nag-e-enjoy. Okay? By the way, there's no admission here or registration. Basta, kain lang kayo sa kanilang karinderya. Diba? Support din tayo.
There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our featured farm here at Banyo, Arayat, Pampanga. And I'll see you tomorrow. Again, thank you for watching, sharing, and following. I'll see you tomorrow on my day 27. Yes, 3 days na lang po. Matatapos na ang ating 30 days challenge. And thank you for being my accountability partner. And takalpong salamat.